Hello, and welcome to Facebook Horizon. It's a place where you can meet up with your friends and make new ones while exploring virtual worlds. Some worlds are for socializing, others are for gaming. But they were all created by people like you. Ready to get started? The first step is to customize your appearance with the avatar editor. Don't worry about making things perfect. You can change your look whenever you want. Looking good! Now let's check out some of Horizon's tools and features. Look down at the inside of your left wrist. This is your wristband. It gives you quick access to everything you might need at a moment's notice. You can bring it up at any time by looking at your wrist. To continue, look at your left wrist and press the Safe Zone button. Your safe zone is a private space, away from the people and things around you. No one will be able to see or talk to you while you're in your safe zone. While you're here, you can mute, block, or report people and content. Don't worry, we won't tell them it was you. To continue, look at your left wrist and press the microphone button. The microphone button lets you mute or unmute your microphone at any time. Note that your mic is on by default. Open your Horizon menu to continue. The Home tab has quick links to popular activities. In the People tab, you can add friends and create parties. In the Worlds tab, you can search and browse all the different worlds Horizon has to offer. In the Create tab, you'll find everything you need to create worlds with your friends. Here, you can access your settings where you can switch to a different movement style and fine-tune your experience. Press the play button to continue. Normally, this is where you'd go to browse Horizon's games, but for now, let's try out our Welcome World. Next, hover over the Welcome World tile and press Visit World to get started. Before you leave, know that from here on out, everyone you meet in Horizon will be a real person, so be respectful.